Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to customize iPhone low data mode settings. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to customize your iPhone low data mode settings is go ahead and open the settings. Click on either cellular or Wi-Fi, depending on your network access. Then click on the information icon. To turn on low data mode on your Wi-Fi, toggle this on. And then low data mode will be enabled and you should see low data mode. Now to turn off low data mode via the settings, click on the information icon and then turn off low data mode. You should see low data mode disappeared. At the same time, if you don't want to use Wi-Fi, you want to use your cellular data on your iPhone, just turn on your cellular data. Now go back to cellular data. Then go ahead and check cellular data options. Select data mode. Now, if your data mode is set to low data mode, just go ahead and set this to standard. Or better still, set this to allow more data on 5G. And then, if you want to turn it off as well, repeat the same thing and set this to low data mode. And then you are good. So that is exactly how to customize iPhone low data mode settings. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.